Missing something in your life? Wake up with us.
Good morning.
Catch up with This Morning Show.
Extra to Gemini. Yeah, it's one of them
Speaking of grudges, number one, Manilex, your story of power, is going to be in relation to also the story I'm about to give you. And he says, you know what? First of all, Ghost alifanya fiti because Tasha aligeuka kichwa ngumu sana, and she deserves to get nothing. We're talking about the final episode of Power and how the family of Ghost gets to find out how much each one of them has been,
Who's
given.
we? You're talking about the final episode of Power.
Listen, there are
by
many people.
yourself.
Kwenda, there are many people right now wanaelewa nini naongea. Hii story ni deep, man. I'm still to watch that final episode. I've just been seeing clips online, and she gets nothing. Understand? This woman literally covered for Ghost so many times so that he wouldn't go to jail.
Okay.
This woman literally, went on with, helping him in his criminal ways.
Okay.
Ended up even killing people for him.
Held it down for him.
Held it down. Fine. At some point in the relationship, they broke up.
Yes.
And they were having disputes within the home. And everyone stepped out of their marriage and cheated. But Miss Yoni Kwanini hakumwachia hata a cent. Not even a 50 cent.
She played herself, though.
He played herself how?
You are doing this for a guy called Ghost. And you don't think he's going to ghost you.
Oh, that's a good one.
Get out of here.
Meanwhile, everybody else around him got something. And I'm like, Ghost took his grudge with his wife to the grave. Do you know how much it takes for you to hold a grudge forever, ever? The same way, there's a story here that caught my attention. There's a man, 78 years, who returns home after 2 decades tiff with a wife.
2 decades.
2 decades. That's 20 years, my friend. And he walked out one day after a quarrel with his wife, only to return, in fact, 26 years later.
Jesus.
His name is Edward Mwangi. Walked out of his home in kunaitwa Kigandu village, that's in Moranga. This is after they had a quarrel. We don't even know exactly what they quarreled over. But all we know is that he walked out of this marriage, and the only thing he walked out with is a radio to just keep him company.
So on an unfortunate morning in 1994, this man left his house with the radio because he was just pissed. God knows why. And he just showed up again recently.
Now he says, we were not in talking terms for a long time with my wife, so I opted to walk out and go look for a job like other men. This is what Mwangi said. And yes, he carried with him only a small radio, which gave him company most of the time. Shout out to all of us who work in this radio industry. There's a lot that we do for people out here, man.
By the way,
we appreciate you for even being with us here on Energy Radio. But now my issue is this. For how long, surely, can you hold a grudge for? You understand me? Na kuna mtu sahi hata wewe unasema mimi kuna mtu sitawahi msamehe. Is there something that you have ever been through? Somebody who said something, did something, jeopardized something of yours, and you're saying up to date, I've never been able to forgive them. Could be an ex of yours, could be a baby mom of yours, could be your own father, your own mother, your sibling.
Juicy. Let's get it juicy.
And it goes deep, man.
Former best friend, perhaps.
Exactly.
Ooh, a teacher.
Oh, yeah.
A boss. Let us know, man, those grudges that maybe you've been holding on to. Maybe you're thinking, at the 26 years, only. You know what I'm saying? Get those messages to us, 071067.
Don't miss the best moments of the biggest mornings.
Good morning.
Energy Breakfast Club.
Waking you up weekdays from 6.